In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Campaign Monitor. Custom fields let you store extra pieces of information about your subscribers, like preferred location, customer tier, or sign-up source. With the right fields in place, you can personalize emails, build smarter segments, and automate messages that truly match each subscriber's profile. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share quick tips so you can set this up confidently the first time. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. In the results, choose the official Campaign Monitor website. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the right page before you proceed, and consider bookmarking it for easier access next time. Once you're on the homepage, click Login. Sign in with your account credentials and complete any two-factor prompts if you use them. After you're in, you may see multiple clients or accounts if you manage more than one. Make sure you're working in the correct one before creating new fields. From the top navigation, click Lists and Subscribers. This takes you to your Lists overview. If you work with multiple lists, keep in mind that custom fields are associated with a specific list, so open the list where you want these fields to live. Choosing the right list now will keep your data clean and consistent. Inside the list, look to the sidebar and click Custom Fields. Depending on your layout or screen size, this menu might appear on the left or right, but the label is the same. Here, you'll see any existing fields and a space where you'll add new ones. Click Add Custom Field, sometimes labeled Create Custom Field. Before you type, think about naming conventions. Use short, clear labels that everyone on your team will recognize, and avoid special characters that might complicate templates or integrations later. Now enter a field name and choose a data type from the dropdown. Pick text for open-ended entries like company name, number for quantities, date for birthdays or renewal dates, and yes/no for simple flags such as is VIP. If you need predefined choices, select a drop-down or multi-select option so subscribers or teammates pick from a controlled list. Choose carefully. Changing a field's type later can affect existing data and connected forms. When you're ready, click Create Field to save it. You'll see your new field appear in the list of custom fields. From here, it's ready to be mapped during imports, added to sign-up forms, referenced in personalization tags, and used in segments the next time you build a campaign. That's it. You've added custom fields in Campaign Monitor, setting yourself up for more targeted, impactful email marketing.